Okay, so in this video we'll learn about the for loop. So let me just rename this first. So it's gonna be 006 loops in Python THON. Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'll just borrow one name what list I have here, which is this fruits list. Okay, I'm just feeling lazy to write that. Okay, let me visit. Okay, so this is the fruit list and I want to iterate. Now what I'll do, fruit in fruits, print the fruit. So apple, banana, orange, avocado, mango. That's very simple way of writing a for loop. Okay, so this is a for loop. Okay, so again we can do something about it. So which we can do like this. I told you the enumerate function. So loop has index, so we can use enumerate this, and then I will be getting index comma. So this is gonna be something like this. F index is gonna be, and then fruit is gonna be index. So index 0 1 2 3 4 and fruit is this. So that's all for loop. I'll see you in another video.